your subject coordinator Harsh Patina, and I am taking your subject fluid mechanics. So whenever we are starting any subject, firstly we need to know about what is the main purpose of this subject. So in this subject, firstly we are separating the two terms fluid and mechanics. Before going for fluid, firstly we discuss about mechanics. So as in the previous semesters we have already studied about mechanics in strength of material. So mechanics, in mechanics we study the effect of forces on a body. But in that subject the body is fluid. We come to the fluid. In mechanics there are basically classified into three types, that is statics, kinematics and dynamics. So we all know what is statics. As in the strength of material we already studied. When a stationary, it is the application of force on a static body. In kinematics, we study about the motion, and in dynamics, we are studying about the motion and the cause of motion, that includes force. When we are considering the fluid statics, this is your unit number 1. Then fluid kinematics, unit number 2. Fluid dynamics, unit number 3, and the other units are application of these things. Okay. Now we switch towards fluid. So firstly, what is fluid? So anything that deforms continuously under the action of small shear force is considered as fluid. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इसकी डेफिनेशन समझना, कंटिन्यूअसली डिफॉर्म होना, क्योंकि जब भी हम स्टैटिक ऑब्जेक्ट पे भी फोर्स लगा रहे हैं तो स्टैटिक ऑब्जेक्ट भी डिफॉर्म हो रहा है, स्टैटिक ऑब्जेक्ट भी डिफॉर्म हो रहा है, बट ये अपनी इलास्टिक लिमिट, जैसे ही मैं फोर्स हटाऊंगा ये अपना ओरिजिनल शेप रिगेन कर लेगा. बट इन फ्लूइड अब मटेरियल और सब्सटेंस इज कंटिन्यूअसली deformed under the action of small shear force. So in fluid we are taking liquid and gases. So in our fluid mechanics the major portion is taken as of liquid. ठीक है. Now this is the definition of fluid, and the types of fluid generally we are classified into two types, that is real and ideal fluids. In real fluids there are two types of two basic types, that is Newtonian and non-Newtonian. So Newtonian, firstly we understand what is Newtonian fluid. So Newton law of viscosity जो भी fluid follow करते हैं, that comes under Newtonian fluids. Now what is Newton law of viscosity? That is the main important thing in fluid mechanics, that is Newton law of viscosity. So according to Newton law of viscosity, shear stress is directly proportional to rate of shear strength. This definition is by the formula you can say shear stress is directly proportional to rate of shear strain, and shear stress is equals to mu du by dy, and that mu is your viscosity. Now we can understand physically. For example, if a fluid is flowing over a plate or a surface, for example this, when this fluid is flowing over that surface, the bottom layer is fixed with this plate surface, and the fluid is continuously deforming or flowing. Here we are taking this layer 1, this layer 2. In that layer just we are taking this thing, the lower layer and the upper layer having the same molecules, and in both layers between the molecules there is adhesive force, and that adhesive force attached with these two layers, the lower layer wants to, as lower layer move with little bit lesser velocity compared to upper layer. The upper layer wants to move faster with respect to lower layer, and lower layer provides the resistance to the upper layer so that the motion of the both the layer are same, but that upper layer and that lower layer there is a shear force. So by definition, a material that is continuously deforming under the action of shear forces is like that. When one layer opposes the motion of other layer or provide the resistance of the other layer, that is viscosity. And here Newtonian fluid is defined as Newton law of viscosity is defined as shear stress is directly proportional to rate of shear strength, and that mu is the viscosity. So this is all about the basic of the subject. Thank you.